I got this brand new 100K combine that I'm trying out. The TradingView integration. And let's see what I can get out of this FOMC volatility. Oof. Bad day for the stock market. Bad day. I'm eyeing this order block fair value gap combo right here on ES or an NQ. Target, 90 points. Some fat risk though. We might just move higher than that, so maybe target up there, but I'll get out at previous day high if it looks weak. Oh, wow. All right, looks like I missed probably the best entry possible, but we're still kind of trading. Yeah, we're in the fair value gap right now. I might still take it long and then just put my stop loss right there below that new swing. But that might not be the low, so that's what's risky about this play. Equal highs right here on ES. More equal highs above. Oof. It might want one more push lower. You know, kind of like break this little low right here and then move up. Still within the fair value gap. And risk is a bit better. All right, traded below the low. This is what we want to see. Well, what we want to see is kind of like leaving a wick right here and bounce up pretty quickly. Traded a bit lower than I wanted, but it is holding up right now, and it looks like it's leaving a nice candle for our bullish play. All right, limit order set. Now the brackets are showing up. All right, first trade on this account. Let's see if we got a winner. Oh no. Oh yes. Okay, I don't like that 1 minute bearish fair value gap because we could trade lower. And I might just, yeah, I'm gonna go break even. If it wants to run, it can run, but for right now, I think we trade a little bit lower, or yeah. I like how this fair value gap was rebalanced, so possible inversion play right here. Stop loss below these bodies. Targeting the highs. You know what? I don't like this trade anymore. I don't like the risk. I don't have like a reasonable stop area, and definitely don't like Powell is still talking. Both indices currently trading inside of a 5 minute fair value gap. I wanna see the reaction out of this zone. So we left the fair value gap going up too. I want to see how this candle closes, but I think we're going for previous day low on ES. We've already taken it on NQ, and I think this is the six sister play. Great reaction so far out of that 5 minute fair value gap. I'm okay with it bouncing right here just a little bit, but I want to see that high that we put in to stay. I don't want to see us break that. So maybe these last two candles can act as an order block, keep price around this level. Mean threshold of this order block is holding. I'm gonna set my limit order right now. Pretty small risk. Why is it 3 now? I literally just changed it from 1 to 2, and it just went from 2 to 3, or it changed itself. And now I've freaking missed the order. See if I even get filled at this point. It's only 300. I might. Okay, there we go. Now, why are my orders grayed out? Hello? Okay, luckily it looks like it's dropping, but I don't want to take more risk than... I don't want it to blow past my stop. Close. No, I don't want to close. All right, I'm going to set this order out just in case. And need some orders for my TP. All right, 1 minute fair value gap after tapping the low. I want to see us go below this low with some strength. Just like that. Just like that. 1 tick away from previous day low. There's a little aisle fed entry up there on ES. That 1 minute fair value gap. NASDAQ is yet to take that low. There it goes. Both lows taken. Previous day low has been taken on ES finally. Let's move my stops into profit. I don't know if my buy limits are going to take me out, so I'm just going to wait to close this position. I'm actually going to move my stop to previous day low because that was okay. Okay, get out of those, get out of those. Yep. That was way more hectic than it should have been. All right, executions, as you can see, makes for a juicy screenshot. $1,000 on that trade, which brings my balance to 101,000. That's it for today's video, guys. I had to get this 100K combine after Topstep reintroduced the TradingView integration. Hopefully, I can pass this one as well and add it to the collection. If you want the opportunity to get funded like me, there will be links and codes in the description below with up to 80% off. With that being said, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment, subscribe to stay tuned. More videos like this on the way. I'll see y'all in the next one.